Just what exactly is it that makes olive oil so unique? Have you ever wondered what makes olive oil such a powerful ally in maintaining good health? Well, today, we're uncovering the impressive benefits of this liquid gold. Could this everyday simple ingredient be the key to a longer, healthier life? Let's find out together. Olive oil is often hailed as a superfood, celebrated worldwide for its numerous health benefits and culinary versatility. This golden liquid derived from olives has gained global recognition not just for its rich flavor, but also for its potential to enhance overall health and vitality. In this video, we will explore the various health advantages of incorporating olive oil into your diet, including its heart-healthy properties, anti-inflammatory effects, and antioxidant content. These benefits contribute to a healthier lifestyle and can play a significant role in disease prevention. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into these advantages, and don't miss out on discovering a unique benefit of olive oil that you may not be aware of. It could change the way you think about this remarkable superfood. Incorporating olive oil into your diet offers significant cardiovascular advantages, particularly in its impact on LDL cholesterol and heart disease risk. Studies have shown that olive oil can help lower levels of harmful LDL cholesterol while raising beneficial HDL cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the overall risk of heart disease. For optimal heart health benefits, it is generally recommended to consume about 2 tablespoons of olive oil daily. This simple addition can make a substantial difference in your cardiovascular health. Furthermore, substituting olive oil for butter in your cooking not only enhances flavor, but also promotes healthier fat intake. This switch can lead to improved heart health outcomes, making olive oil a smart choice for those looking to support their cardiovascular system while enjoying delicious meals. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to various diseases. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and promoting overall health. One notable antioxidant found in olive oil is oleocanthal, which possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties akin to those of ibuprofen. This compound not only helps alleviate inflammation, but also supports joint health and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, the overall anti-inflammatory benefits of olive oil extend beyond oleocanthal, as its rich blend of powerful antioxidants works synergistically to enhance the body's defense mechanisms as well. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can harness these health benefits and promote a healthier, more resilient body. Olive oil is renowned for its anti-aging properties, particularly concerning skin health. Research findings indicate that the antioxidants in olive oil can help combat skin aging by reducing oxidative stress and promoting cellular regeneration. One key component is vitamin E, which plays a vital role in maintaining skin health and preventing wrinkles. This powerful antioxidant helps protect the skin from UV damage and enhances moisture retention, contributing to a youthful appearance. However, it's important to note that while the benefits of consuming olive oil are well documented, research on its topical applications remains limited. Therefore, while incorporating olive oil into your diet can support skin health from within, caution should be exercised regarding its direct application on the skin until more conclusive studies are available. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, has been linked to enhanced cognitive function and brain health in several studies. Research indicates that regular consumption of olive oil may protect against neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and dementia. The healthy fats and antioxidants found in olive oil contribute to improved brain function by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key factors in cognitive decline. A significant compound in this regard is oleuropein, which has shown promising protective effects on brain health. Oleuropein not only supports neuronal health, but also aids in the clearance of amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet, you can potentially bolster your cognitive health and protect your brain as you age. Olive oil offers significant benefits for individuals with type 2 diabetes, particularly in managing insulin levels and controlling blood sugar. Research has shown that incorporating olive oil into meals can elevate insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for effective blood sugar regulation. Studies indicate that participants who consumed olive oil experienced improved insulin and blood sugar levels after meals, highlighting its positive impact on glycemic control. This is largely attributed to the healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants present in olive oil, which help mitigate post-meal spikes in blood sugar. For those managing diabetes, making informed dietary choices is essential, and including olive oil can be a beneficial strategy. By prioritizing healthy fats like olive oil, individuals can enhance their overall diabetes management and support better health outcomes. Olive oil is not only a culinary staple, but also boasts impressive antibacterial effects, primarily due to its high content of polyphenols. These powerful compounds have been shown to effectively combat harmful bacteria, contributing to overall health. Research suggests that the antibacterial properties of olive oil may play a role in preventing stomach ulcers and even certain types of cancer by inhibiting the growth of pathogenic bacteria. This simple addition to your diet can enhance your body's defenses against harmful bacteria while promoting a healthier digestive system and potentially reducing the risk of serious health issues. Olive oil is renowned for its exceptional moisturizing effects, making it an excellent choice for individuals with dry skin. Its rich composition of fatty acids helps to hydrate and nourish the skin, creating a protective barrier that locks in moisture. Additionally, olive oil's antioxidant and antibacterial properties can be beneficial in clearing acne. By combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation, it helps to soothe irritated skin while its antibacterial effects target acne-causing bacteria. However, it's important to exercise caution for those with sensitive skin, as olive oil may cause irritation in some individuals. Conducting a patch test before full application is advisable to ensure compatibility. Overall, olive oil can be a valuable addition to skincare routines, promoting hydration and potentially reducing acne. Olive oil can be an effective natural remedy for relieving constipation due to its mild laxative effects. When consumed, olive oil helps to lubricate the digestive tract, making it easier for stool to pass through. This lubrication not only softens the stool but also promotes healthier bowel movements, reducing the discomfort often associated with constipation. The healthy fats in olive oil stimulate the production of bile, which further aids digestion and enhances overall gut health. For those seeking a gentle and natural solution to constipation, incorporating olive oil into your diet can be beneficial. Whether drizzled over salads, used in cooking, or taken by the spoonful, olive oil offers a simple way to support digestive health and encourage regularity. In summary, olive oil offers a multitude of health benefits that can significantly enhance your overall wellness. From promoting heart health by improving cholesterol levels to providing cognitive protection against neurodegenerative diseases, the advantages of incorporating olive oil into your diet are compelling. Its anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant content, and potential to aid in digestion further underscore its value as a superfood. We encourage you to include olive oil in your daily meals to reap these benefits and support your health journey. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and explore more content to discover additional ways to improve your health and wellness. Thank you for watching till the end. We look forward to sharing more insights with you in future videos. See you in the next one. Bye for now.